How to watch Hulu in Singapore. Hulu is currently only available in the US and its territories, so you cannot access it directly in Singapore. However, you can use a VPN, a virtual private network, to bypass the regional restrictions. Here's how to do it. Step number 1, choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN that offers servers in the US and supports streaming. Popular VPNs include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Step number 2, install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. This will give you a US IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from the US. Step number 4, access Hulu. Visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Log in to your existing Hulu account or sign up for a new account if you don't have one. Step number 5, start watching. Browse through Hulu's content library and begin streaming the movies, TV shows, and Hulu originals available. Important considerations. Subscription. Ensure you have an active Hulu subscription. If you don't have one, you can sign up for Hulu using a US-based payment method. VPN compatibility. Hulu actively blocks many VPN services. Use a VPN known to work with Hulu for the best experience. Legal and service terms. Using a VPN to access Hulu may violate Hulu's terms of service, so proceed with caution.